Hello guys, today we are going to see about artificial intelligence. Before going to that video, come let's see the introduction of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of science which deals with the machines finding solutions to the complex problems in a human-like fashion. This generally involves borrowing characteristics from human intelligence and applying them as an algorithm in a computer-friendly way. Okay, this is a short introduction of the AI. Come let's see the history of the AI. In 1941, first electronic computer is invented, and in 1956, the term artificial intelligence is introduced. And in 1960s, checkers playing program that was able to play games with the opponents. It was introduced in 1960s, and in 1980s, the quality control systems are introduced, and in 2000 the first sophisticated walking robot was being introduced. This is the history of the AI, guys. So, and come let's see why we are using AI. Computers are fundamentally well suited to performing mechanical computations using fixed programmed rules. This allows artificial machines to perform simple monotonous tasks efficiently and reliably, which humans are ill suited to. Okay, let's see the sustainability of the AI. The UN defines 17 sustainable goals in total. The graphic represents in total 3 different categories, which are social, economy, and environment. According to the Nature Communications, AI can enable a lot of parts in sustainable goals. The orange markings mean they inhibit the goal. Green enables it. AI can help to detect extreme weather conditions, develop greener transportation, or monitor deforestation. Furthermore, we can develop better grid systems to ensure renewable energy. Other technology can help with the recycling produced waste much faster. Okay, let's see about the opportunities of implementing artificial intelligence in reaching sustainability. Big companies like Google or Microsoft are already implementing artificial intelligence, guys, to make their services more sustainable. For example, Google created an AI that teaches itself to minimize the energy it needs to cool the data centers. This reduces the energy used for this by 35%. Powering big servers can take a toll on our environment, as it needs a lot of energy to cool the technology. More and more people are using the digital space, so it is a step in the right direction to shift the way of things are being handled. Next, we will go a bit deeper into how artificial intelligence can influence certain sectors and reduce the carbon footprints. Energy plays an important role when it comes to sustainability. The last year took a toll on all of us, and we mostly had a work from home. Naturally, we spend more energy. New AI technology can help better grid system to enable renewable energy. In the age of digitalization and decentralization, it becomes increasingly hard to manage all the participants in the grid and keep it balanced. Smart grids can not only transport electricity but also data. This data helps to react to the increased consumption of energy. With the help of artificial intelligence, the behavior can be analyzed and the system can react accordingly. But also, if someone is producing energy themselves, it can also be distributed to the other sections in the grid. Basically, the smart grid coordinates energy generation and energy consumption. You ever heard about the term prosumer? It summarizes the producer and the consumer in one word. That is also what happens in the smart grid. But it does not end with smart grids. AI can also help to forecast capacity levels. With the help of sensor, solar and wind generations can provide a lot of real-time data. It can depict wind speed or global horizontal irradiance. Recycling. Another important part of sustainable future is recycling. Waste is only recycling. Globally, 2.1 billion tons of municipal solid waste are annually produced to recycle. Such a huge amount of waste is not an easy task, maybe even impossible for humans. But artificial intelligence or more robotic sorting is the answer here. With the help of advanced camera and technology, waste is sorted accordingly. Furthermore, this way of sorting can help to protect the workers' health. In our last article, we already talked about how artificial intelligence can take over work for humans. They help in repetitive tasks and also decrease the chance of workers getting hurt. These robots can determine which color or shape a certain taste has and put them into the respective bins. Due to the sorting, the robots will also gather data and learn which material come on which day. This does not only help in protecting our environments, but also many companies can benefit from such a technology. It increases the recycling process and reduces energy consumption.